So, good day everyone. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach and explain on how does this program work in order to get the average of the 10 inputted floating point value. And it is from our lab exercise 2. So, first, we are going to type in import java.util dot asterisk semicolon. And the purpose of this syntax for this program is it enables the users to input a value or a number to the program. So, this second step, we are going to instantiate an object called scanner in. So, the purpose of this syntax is this would enable the user to collect the user input. The following step would be to create some variables, float, which is a float input which would act as a storage for the inputted numbers. Float sum that would sum the input from the previous inputted numbers, and float av which would get the average of the sum from all the user input. I have used a try-catch syntax in here so that it would let the user know if you have inputted a wrong data type or value. But please bear in mind that this program would still work even without using the try-catch syntax. I have also used a for loop syntax here that would loop for about 10 times because it is one of the requirements in our lab exercise. So, within the for loop, there's an SOP or a system that output print that would input or display enter the nth floating number. Next, it would instantiate a method which is input is equal in dot next float open and close parenthesis semicolon wherein our input would be stored into. After that, then we would use our variable sum wherein it would add the value stored in variable input and variable sum. So, after the program have looped for 10 times, the program would proceed to use the variable av. This syntax would get the average of all the inputted value of the user. Then after that, we are on the last part of the program wherein it would display the sum and the total sum of the inputted numbers or value of the user, and after that it would also display the total average of the sum or the inputted numbers. So thank you for listening and thank you for watching.